To use the EPPO-Q-bank identification tools, go to the discipline-specific page and click on ID. You have two possibilities, either single blast analysis or multilocus blast. Single blast analysis can be performed against bacterial sequences or against all sequences of EPPO-Q-bank. To blast a sequence, you first have to choose against which sequences you want to blast your sequence. So here all bacteria sequences will be selected, but you also have the possibility for bacteria to blast only against Clavibacter sequences or Ralstonia sequences or Xanthomonas sequences. The sequences against which you will blast your sequence are highlighted in green. Paste your sequence in the box. By default, EPPO-Q-bank uses the NCBI BlastN parameters, but you can modify those parameters by clicking on Show Advanced Parameters. And then click on Start Alignments. The blast results, which correspond to the first 100 hits, are displayed in a hit table showing among others the name of the hits, the percentage of overlap, the percentage of similarity, and also the score and the direction. By default, the results are sorted out based on the score, but you can sort the results based on other parameters by clicking on the arrows here. Alignment can be accessed by clicking on the plus button. You will be able to see the alignment with some additional information on this alignment. You can download the results in FASTA format and as XML format. Single blast hit result can be displayed using different tree views by selecting Tree on the blast result page, and then you have two options. Either you can build a UPGMA tree or a neighbor joining tree. The tree will be built and your query sequence will be indicated as My Query. Apart from choosing the tree algorithm, the display of the tree can be adjusted using different tools. You can also decide to reroute your trees using specific nodes, and you can also hide some specific parts of the tree that are not of interest for you. You can use either a linear tree, but also you have the possibility to draw a radial tree. And here as well you have the possibility to collapse some of the nodes. You can access the multilocus blast tool in each specific discipline database by clicking on ID and then multilocus blast. Click on the locus and paste your sequence in the pop-up box. Click on Save and click on Start Identification. Here again, you can adjust blast parameter by clicking on Show Advanced Blast Parameter. The results of the multilocus blast are displayed in the table. You have access to the information regarding similarity and the number of loci that we're taking into account to obtain the results. By clicking on the plus button, you can see the different alignments for the different loci. You will also have information for each loci on the pessimistic and optimistic similarity. you can download your result by clicking on Download Faster.